Hello, I'm Darita, and today I'm gonna talk about Euler method. Euler method is give the solution, approximate solution, but not the exact answer. To get to know about the Euler method, we have to know these two terms first, which are the step number and the step size. The step number means how many steps we have to move from the integer to the final. The step size means the distance between the 2 points of the x-axis. These are the Euler equation. To get to know about the next values of y, we have to find the slope first, then multiply with the step size and add it to the current values of y. To get to know about the next values of x, we have to add the next step size to the current values of x. This is the problem we have. It already gives the differential equation, and it also gives the y function of 0 is equal to 1, which means the initial values of x and y is 0, 1. And we have to find the values of y function of 1. Here I choose x is equal to 0.1. Because if we use the smaller values of step size, we will get the more accurate approximation. If I choose the 0.1, I have to get x is equal to 1, I have to move 10 steps. Here in the first step, I got 0.1, x is equal to 0.1 and y is equal to 1.2. Then after 10 steps, I got x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2.402. After calculation, I collect all these data from each step, and then I draw on the graph. The initial value is 0, 1 and the final value is 1, 2.402. So the approximation answer or y function of 1 is 2.402. To calculate about the percentage error, I have to find the exact values of y function of 1, so I use the analytical way. Then I got 0.38048. Then I got relative error, which is the error percentage is 0.9. Now let me show you in the Excel. This is the initial values of x, and this is the initial values of y. So the next values of x is I at the step side, and to get the next values of y, I also need to find the slope first. Then I found the slope, then I use this equation here. Then final one, when I got x is equal to 1, I got the answer y is 2.40263. This graph is the data from the Euler method. I use the data from the Euler method. Here is the y values of is the exact values of y. This equation is from this formula. I use this formula in the Excel. Then the final one, when x is equal to 1, I got 2.3804x of the y value, and then I found the absolute error, and then the final percentage error is 0.93071. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.